Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this panning video effect on CapCut PC. Grab your video and go to effects and search for play pendulum. And you're just going to grab it and add it to your video. Twist 0, strength, you're going to put it at 7, sharpen 0, and speed, you're going to put it at 100%. Then you're going to search for mini zoom, and then you're going to find it. If I can just, I think it's under lens. I don't know why I can't really find the the effect. Okay, let's just select that one. I'm trying to find like the one that I can edit. Let's just go back and go to video effects and go to lens to do that. And hopefully the mini zoom will be here. There we go. Add it to your picture and have them both at 6. That is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!